this one AI agent trying to do 3 jobs at once. It refactored the auth module, forgot about the test, and never touched the docs. Sound familiar? This is the problem every AI agent demo hides from you. Everyone's excited about AI agent, what they can do, but the moment you need an agent to handle a real project with multiple moving parts, it falls apart. Not because the AI is dumb, because one agent, one context window, one thread of execution, it's not enough. There's a missing layer and it's called orchestration. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn one overwhelmed agent into a coordinated team that finishes the job. If you watched my last video, you know how a single AI agent works. It reasons, it calls tools, it loops. That's powerful for one task. But what happens when you need multiple things done? Things that depends on each other, or that could run in parallel, or that need different expertise. Think of it this way. A single agent is a solo developer. Orchestration is a project manager with a team. The project manager doesn't write any code. They break the work into pieces, assign each piece to the right person, make sure they don't step on each other's toes, and assemble the final result. That's exactly what orchestration layer does for AI agent. It takes your big goal, decomposes it into tasks, assign each task to a specialized agent, manages the handoff, and bring it all together. And if you get this wrong, if you skip this layer, your agent will quietly fail. Exactly like what you just saw. So let me show you the 3 patterns that actually work. Number 1, a sub-agent. A main agent spawn helper agent for specific task. Think delegation. You go run the test. You review the code. Report back when you are done. The main agent stays in control. This is top down. The parent sees everything. The children have narrow scope. Number 2, agent teams. Multiple agents work as peers with a shared task list. No single boss. Each agent claims the next available task, does it, updates the list with no project manager. The key difference? They can talk to each other directly. They can challenge each other's work, share findings, coordinate without going through a central node. Number 3 is coordinator mode. A dedicated orchestrator plans the entire workflow upfront, assign tasks, track progress, handle retreats, and synthesizes results. Full project management. This is the framework like LangGraph and Crew AI give you when you build your own. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. This is Claude Code, same tool from my last video, but I am using its agent feature. Same task as the opening, different results. Notice what changed? The AI isn't smarter. The model is the same. What changed is the system around it. Instead of one agent juggling everything, there's a layer that manages the work, who does what, when, and how they coordinate. The layer is orchestration, and right now it's the biggest unlock in AI tooling that most developers aren't using yet. Alright, a quick landscape. First, it's already built into your tools. Claude Code has sub-agents team. You just saw it. Cursor has background agents. Copilot has multi-file coordination. If you are using any of these, you already have some version of orchestration available to you. Second, dedicated frameworks for building your own. LangGraph, if you want graph-based control flow, very popular with Python devs, very flexible. Crew AI, if you want role-based teams with less boilerplate, good for getting started fast. Number 3, orchestrator tool that sit above your coding agent and manage the fleet. Things like Conductor and multi-cloud. These are for when you want to run 10-20 agents at once on a large code base. You don't need all of these. Most people get stuck here, choosing the tool instead of fixing the system. If you're starting out, Claude Code sub-agent work today on Max subscription. Start there. Graduate to frameworks when you need custom coordination logic. Alright, quick reality check, because I would be doing a disservice if I didn't say this. Multi-agent orchestration, it is not always better. It adds overhead, more token, more complexity, more things that can go wrong. A 3-agent team uses roughly 3 to 4 times the token of a single session, doing the same work. Don't orchestrate when the task fits in one context window. Don't orchestrate when the steps are purely sequential. Agent B can't start until agent A finishes. Don't orchestrate for a single focus task like fix this bug or write this function. Do orchestrate when you have independent parallel pieces, when you are hitting context window limits, when you need different specialities. One agent for security review, another one for testing, one for docs when the project spans multiple file services or domain. Here's the rule of thumb. If you wouldn't assign it to multiple humans, don't assign it to multiple agents. Orchestration solve coordination problem. If you don't have a coordination problem, you don't need orchestration. So here's where we are. Video 1, I showed you how a single agent works. The agent loop, tool calling, MCP. Today, I showed you the layer above that. How you coordinate multiple agents to handle real work. The missing layer isn't a product, it's a pattern. Whether you use Claude Code, built-in teams, LangGraph, or something else, the idea is the same. Break the work down, assign it to focus agent, let them work in parallel, manage the handoffs. If you are building with AI agent, start with one agent. When you hit the wall, and you will, that's when orchestration becomes your unlock. Next video, I'm going deep on security, specifically how prompt injection attack work against agent and how to defend against them. Live demo, real attack, real fixes. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And tell me in the comments, are you using multi-agent setup? What's working? What's breaking? See you in the next one. I'm Yudi, signing off. Until next one, the LLM Architect.